You don't necessarily have to walk over. Oh, you're spelling it like horizontally.
Okay.
Because that's the proper way. Fine, you do it whatever way you want. Oh. A.
I think that's that name, but whatever, we'll let it slide.
E. A.
Have you already played this game?
I. M.
Non possiamo perdere, Paolo.